Petunias are ornamental flowers that are often found in both flower beds and containers. They come in many varieties and colors, which makes them a gardener's favorite. These are petunias plant. In today's episode, we will look into how to repot petunia and what are the essential fertilizer to get enormous flowering or enormous healthy thriving of petunias. Petunias are usually selected for use in hanging baskets or atop rock walls. While they are relatively easy to grow and maintain, when it is time to transplant your petunias, no matter which type you have, there are a few steps you should follow. If you are repotting your petunias, some major things you should keep in your mind. Step 1, don't disturb the root ball. Petunias like to grow in a small pot. Select a new pot that is larger than the current pot. Step 2, select a bedding site that is full sun to part shade and that was well drained soil. Dig a hole for the petunias that is as deep and wide as the pot was. If transplanting more than one petunia plant, space the holes 12 inches apart. If you are transplanting the spreading variety, space the holes 24 inches apart. Friends, you can grow petunia plant from the seeds and cuttings very well. And step 3, remove the petunias from the pots. Try not to damage or disturb the root system or the soil that is surrounding the roots. Friends, do you know petunias like to grow in root bound container? So don't disturb the root ball of petunia plant. Step 4, place the petunias into the ground and cover firmly with soil. Like I am growing it in a 5 to 6 inch hanging basket container and cover it from the normal garden soil. Try to make soil which is well drained. Friends, fill the pot 1 to 2 full with a potting soil. Remove the petunia from its original pot, being carefully not to damage the roots. Place into the new pot and cover the roots firmly with potting soil. Then water it. Dig the petunias up and when you dig, insert the shovel at least 1 inch beyond their widest foliage point. Keep as much of the root system intact as possible. Dig a new location that is 1 inch larger on all sides than the root system. If you are transplanting more than one petunia plant, space the holes 12 inches apart. If you are transplanting the spreading variety, space the hole 24 inches apart. Insert the petunias into the holes and still the soil back in tapping it down formally over the root system. Friends, this is DAP. Friends, DAP is the best for getting maximum flowers in petunias. As we want to get maximum result out in less time for this particular reason we have to use particular fertilizer and 2 or 3 for 3 inches pot. Potassium based fertilizer is very much important for growing petunias and this is potash. Potash, a form of potassium oxide, is vital to plants throughout their life cycle and this is very much effective for petunias. The addition of potash in soil is crucial where the pH is alkaline. Potash fertilizer increases the pH in soil. Potash fertilizer is a natural substance that is constantly recycled in the earth. Exactly potash is very helpful to get more flowering, and this is banana peel liquid fertilizer. As we all know about that, banana peel is a rich source of potassium. So plants have three micronutrients for maximum health. One of these is potassium, which was once referred to as potash, and DAP for root system, and banana peel is very helpful to get more flowers. Potash in soil is the initial source for the uptake in plants. Potassium is required for plant growth and reproduction. Friends, if you like this information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.